Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to the channel, guys. As you may or may not know, following a COVID-enforced 2-year closure, the NEC show is back with a vengeance, the Caravan and Camping and Motorhome show.
You sure it's not a camping caravan and motorhome? Or
no, it's a Caravan, Camping and Motorhome show 2022.
Yeah, 22.
And it runs from the 22nd of February straight through to the 27th of February. I have got a lot of notes in front of me, so if I'm looking down, I'm not being rude. I can't remember all this. So we've had a press release sent to us, so we thought we'd keep you guys updated with what's going on. There is tickets, but I'll let you know there is very limited tickets.
It's unprecedented, I think, isn't it, this time of saying that there's been that many.
There's been 95,000 basically.
Yeah, so well that was from a week ago, isn't it? So it's I would suggest, without, we haven't even looked actually, but most of the dates are sold out now. It is 5 halls, so if you've ever been to the NEC, you know how big it is. I've been to a few shows and things in the past. What's been 3, I think 3 halls was the biggest, and I was absolutely knackered. It's really big.
I've never been. No.
I've been a few times, different things, a car show and some truck stuff and vehicles stuff and everything else, and it's 5 halls. It's going to be big. So
I'd suggest putting your trainers on.
Yeah, and anyone who's not so good on walking, if you can, I'd even probably recommend, if you still, if you go in, to take a folding chair or something you can take to sit down, because there isn't a lot of seating. I think the seating is where the food places are, the food court, etc., and there's some little things to the side like little restaurants, Subway and things like that, but there's not a lot of seating, so it will probably be fully carpeted. Most shows at NEC are fully carpeted, so you can crash out on the floor if you want to.
Grand. Or you could find a motorhome and go and sit in it for a while.
Yeah,
that's a better idea, isn't it?
No, not thought of that. Or a caravan.
Yeah, any of them. So yeah, we thought we'd pop on and let all our subscribers know about this show. You've probably all heard of it by now. It's been going on for since January now, hasn't it, the sale of the tickets. But like I say, we've received this press release. We'll pop a few pictures on of previous shows.
I think it's 2020, was it, up before?
Yeah, 2020 was the last one, I'm sure it was.
2019, I think it was cancelled, wasn't it, for COVID again.
Yeah, I know it's been shut for the last 2 years anyway. So yeah, we've got a lot of exhibitioners going to be there. There's going to be a lot of new vans.
There's a lot of stalls, isn't there? There's a lot of stalls we like to go to, and I like all the gadgety things and stuff, and I keep racking my brain thinking, what can I buy next to do to the van? What?
You? No more modifications.
I know, we just bought a refillable gas kit, haven't we, to put in?
Yeah, a gas refill kit.
That's the next project. But yeah, our motorhome insurance, I can't think of what the company's called now. They're exhibiting, or they've got a stall or a stand there. I want to speak to them because we're going abroad this year, and I need to speak to them about our insurance and everything else. So.
There's a lot. I mean, I have been told to get round it in a day is going to be a mission. We're hoping to be there, hopefully, fingers crossed, Friday, Saturday. Or even Friday, Saturday, early morning, Sunday.
Maybe a couple. Yeah, we'll see. We'll probably be jiggered by Sunday, won't we? So.
But we just wanted to pop on and let you know there is going to be a lot of companies there. There's also going to be a lot of guest speakers this year. And looking at these names, there's quite a few famous people that people might know as well. You've got Matt Baker, Adam Woodyard. I bet you don't know what he was on.
He's off EastEnders, wasn't he?
Yeah. Matt Allwright. Julia Bradbury, Andrew Ditton, that's one I want to go and see. Yeah. James Frost, Catbird, Wandering Bird, we know that one. There's just too many to mention. There's absolutely loads. There's hardly any on a Saturday. I'll let you know. All these speakers are mainly Tuesday, Wednesday, or Sunday.
Yeah.
So although we're saying throughout the week, it's mainly Tuesday, Wednesday, Sundays when the speakers are on.
Yeah, so
you can find out all this information on the internet. I think it will tell you by now.
I think if we had choice, and it's too much to have too much time off work at this time of year, holiday wise, isn't it? We've got things planned for later on in the year. We need our days off, so it's too much to go and have days off now. So else we'd probably go earlier on in the week, wouldn't we?
Yeah.
We'd probably go on a Tuesday or a Wednesday. But we do want to go and see some of our subscribers. Anyone who's there, don't forget to come over and say hello.
I will have stickers.
Yeah, we'll have a few stickers. We're not carrying too many, are we?
I don't know. The amount I've said I've promised out, there's quite a few.
Well, come and say hello anyway. So we might look like we're a bit shy or whatever, but just come and say hello. Just, you know.
Shy? You're not shy. Yeah, so it's an all-day event. Looking at this, I'm trying to find out. Parking's included in the tickets, and the tickets are £10.
Like we talked about just about a parking again. If you've not been to NEC, and no doubt a lot of you have been before. I've never been to a Motorhome Caravan show or anything like that before. I've been to other shows, but the car parks are massive. But some of them are a good way away, so they'll probably run shuttle buses to the main entrance, won't they? I guess.
Yeah.
So.
I'm just reading this about what there is for kids. Free activities including stand-up paddleboarding, kayaking on water. There's all sorts. There's even a fish and chips on offer to complete the whole seaside experience.
I was just thinking, though, we're not doing a Chinese food takeaway workshop.
I very much doubt it, Mark.
Might
Might do one just for you.
I know, I could do that.
Yeah, you could do it. All your expertise in Chinese. Let's have a look. So yeah, that's basically all I wanted to really tell you. Just a bit of a midweek catch up. We will be there.
Yeah.
There's going to be a lot of YouTubers there by the sounds of it. So the chance of you being on someone's channel are very high. You're probably going to end up getting your face on someone's channel.
Yeah, if you want to come and say hello, we'll be walking around with a camera, won't we, at some points? And yeah, we're going to see quite a few sort of trade shows I want to go and look at, as I've already said. So it's worth just noting as well that you can't just rock up at the front door of the NEC and walk in and pay. They won't be taking cash or card payment. All tickets must be booked online. So just remember that. On the off chance you're thinking you might be able to squeeze in, there's no chance. If they're sold out, that's it. That's a quota for that day. Gone. So yeah, tickets online only. You can't just attend and pay cash on the day. It's obviously proven with the increased sales of the show this year compared to other years, massive uptake in the interest in motorhome and caravan and campervanning. So it is getting a very, very popular pastime and hobby and whatever you want to call it, ways for people to holiday in the UK, isn't it?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Or not just the UK.
What they're going to do at the show this year, they're actually going to be giving you free caravan towing courses, motorhome manoeuvring lessons, and campervan test drives. That's all been organised by the Camping and Caravanning Club and the Caravan and Motorhome Club. But you must be over 25 and have a full licence to get these. Well, try them out, should I say. I think that's really good, that. Because a lot of people go and buy a motorhome and they've never even driven one.
A lot of people, yeah. I'm used to driving different sorts of vehicles. You're not, are you? The more different vehicles you drive, I must admit, when we first got this, it felt quite big, but it isn't. This motorhome's not that big at all, really. So you soon get used to it, don't you? So some of the caravan and motorhome manufacturers are using the show to launch their 2022 models, aren't they?
Yeah, I know Bailey are. Bailey's launching a new model while they're there.
Yeah, I honestly don't know what there will be a stock. If you're going to look at motorhomes to buy one, you might get a good deal, but I honestly don't know, especially by Friday or Saturday, what stock will be left, because it's the same as all the trade stalls and everything else. The stuff for sell, it generally is cheaper than what you buy online or via an accessory shop. So there's likely chance that some of them will be sold out, won't they? So,
yeah. But it's the only place you're going to get to go and see new models, so you've more chance of seeing something there than going to a dealer's and finding anything, because we've been to a few dealers and they're really struggling for stock. So
eventually it'll come back to normal, won't it? But then we've got the added problem of vehicles being electrified and what the solutions are with that. So
that's not going to happen in a breath. No,
well, not just yet.
No,
there's a few years yet left, isn't there? So, but yeah, we just thought we'd pop this quick video on just to let you know that
a lot of people have been messaging us and asking if we're going. So this will let you know that we are going to actually be attending.
Yeah. We just want to say thank you to recent and new subscribers who's just joined the channel. Thank you very much for your support. We really, really do appreciate it.
Yeah.
There's going to be loads more content coming in a few months' time, or next few months' time, I should say.
We've got a lot coming up, haven't we?
There's all sorts planned, isn't there? We've got a lot of shows to go to. So this year, last year, early on our motorhome, we had quite a few holidays away and stuff. This year, it's going to be more probably socialising, isn't it, I guess?
Yeah.
With a bit of a
we've been asked to do quite a few things, haven't we? So yeah, we've got a lot in our diary this year.
So that's yeah, we've got quite a bit going, I think.
Haven't we? I've got a massive calendar up in the kitchen at the minute and I don't know where I'm coming or going.
I know. It's just work what gets in the way otherwise, doesn't it? But,
unfortunately.
So that's what we just thought we'd come on and tell you about what we're doing next week at NEC. Like I say, we'll be there hopefully Friday, Saturday and maybe Sunday morning.
Maybe Sunday.
Yeah.
We are staying at a campsite very close, so we're not a million miles away. So that's all the information we've got for you today. If anything else does crop up, we'll try and get it in if we do a vlog before now, but I don't think we will be doing, will we? The next one probably will be the NEC.
Yeah.
Obviously, you can get us on Instagram, Facebook. Drop us a comment below this vlog if you want any questions answering.
Give us a thumbs up, no thumbs down. Thumbs up.
Yeah, like, comment, and please subscribe. We may have had quite a few recently, but we're open to more. Until the NEC then, do come and say hello. Grab yourself a sticker. We'll see you then. Bye.
See you later.